Low-priced stocks quietly explode in value, and most people only hear about them when it is already too late. But right now, there are well-known companies trading around $10 that investors believe could see real growth in 2026. You do not need a lot of money to start, you just need to know where to look. Today we are breaking down 5 stocks under $10 that investors are keeping an eye on before the end of 2025. Welcome to the Money Mindset, where we make investing simple and understandable. Let's get started. First is Novacharge Energy, a renewable energy company focused on advanced battery storage. The stock trades near $10 with rising monthly volume, which usually signals increasing interest. Investors like its expanding contracts and stable price movement. Novacharge's valuation is still considered low for a company in a fast-growing sector, which is why many investors track its earnings momentum and potential for a breakout if revenue growth continues. Next is Metrolink Transit Solutions, a company helping cities modernize transport with smart systems. Its share price often stays in a steady range near $10, which appeals to investors who prefer moderate volatility. Metrolink's shares usually react positively when the company announces new contracts. Analysts also watch its software subscription revenue because recurring income can help support long-term share stability and reduce risk. Third is SafeNet Cybersecurity, which provides AI-powered protection tools for businesses. SafeNet's stock trades actively, with strong institutional ownership supporting the share price. Investors follow its price-to-sales ratio because it shows potential undervaluation for a growing tech company. SafeNet has also seen insider buying, which is often viewed as a signal that leadership expects future growth. This combination can make the stock attractive to early-stage tech investors. Fourth is Freshlane Grocers, a discount grocery chain expanding in suburban areas. Freshlane shares tend to move slowly but consistently because grocery demand remains stable even in uncertain economies. Investors often watch same-store sales growth and operating margins, since these directly influence the stock's long-term performance. The $10 price point gives new investors an affordable entry into the retail sector, while still offering stable behavior. Finally, Horizon Regional Airlines, a regional carrier focusing on high-demand short routes. Its share price can be more volatile due to fuel costs and travel trends, but recent fleet upgrades and stronger passenger loads have improved investor sentiment. Traders monitor Horizon's earnings calls closely, especially updates about cash flow and debt management. If travel demand continues to rise, this stock could see stronger movement in 2026.